Welcome back. Today I am going to start new chapter matrices. Definition of matrix. Definition of matrix. Matrix. A matrix is an order rectangular array of number or function. The numbers or function are called the elements are the entries of the matrix. Entries of the matrix. For example, a matrix is denoted by big bracket. So you can write big bracket you makes the number are called element or entries of matrix. So entries of matrix, entries are element, let a b c d e f. These entries is called element of matrix. So now ABC it is horizontal line of element set to be row. This is horizontal line of element known as rows, and this is row. The vertical lines of element, this is vertical, this is vertical, this is verticals. This is column. This is column. There are three column, one column, two column, three column are called vertical line of element called column. This is row. There are two rows, this, and there are three columns. There are three columns in matrix. Rectangular means this shape of rectangle. So a matrix is an order rectangular array of number is called matrix, and these are entries in matrix called elements. So rows A, B, C. This is first row, and D, E, F. This is second rows, and vertical column A, comma D is first column, and B, comma E is second column, and C, F is called third column. An order of matrix. A matrix having m row and n column. A matrix having m row and n column is called matrix of order m cross n, not m into n. m cross n, or simply you can read as an m by n, m cross n or m by n matrix. Let a matrix X having element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, number of row, 1 row, 2 row, 3 rows denoted as like a m. So, m, this is row, 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, 3, and by 1 column, 2 column, 3 are 3. So, matrix, order of matrix, order of matrix 3 by 3 or 3 cross 3. This is order of matrix. A matrix having m row and n row called order of matrix m by n. m by n or 3 by 3 matrix, because 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, this is 3, and 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, number of column 3s, it is called, you can read m 3 by 3, 3 by 3 or 3 cross 3. Types of matrix. First, column matrix. A matrix is said to be column matrix if it has only one column. For example, A is a matrix element A, B, C. So, this is one column. One column, a matrix have only one column, known as column matrix. The order of matrix, what is order of matrix? 1 row, 2 row, 3 row. You can write initial row 3 and 1. Matrix A 3 by 1 order. Second, row matrix. A matrix said to be row matrix if it has only one row. Example, let a matrix, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So, only matrix B has only one row, this is called row matrix. So, order of this matrix, one row and column 1, 2, 3, 4. So, matrix B has 1 by 4. A square matrix, a matrix in which the number of row is equal to the number of column is called a square matrix. A matrix in which number of row is equal to number of column is called a square matrix. For example, suppose a matrix have element A, B, C, D. So number of row, one row, two row. So 2 by number of column 1, 2, this is 2. Number of row is equal to number of column, this is square matrix. And also another matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is order of matrix 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, 3, and by 1, 2, 3, this is 3. So number of row is equal to number of column, this is square matrix. Fourth, diagonal matrix. ये स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स, ए स्क्वायर कंडीशन, स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स is said to be diagonal matrix if all its non-diagonal element are 0. Non-diagonal element are 0. A square matrix is said to be diagonal matrix if all its non-diagonal of element is 0. For example, let a matrix 1, 0, 0, 2, this is diagonal matrix. Non-diagonal element are 0 or another matrix 1, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, minus 4. This is called diagonal matrix. Non-element, diagonal of non-elements 0. Diagonal, there are different entries, and non-diagonal element 0, 0 or this 0, 0. This is called diagonal matrix. And next, scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix is said to be a scalar matrix if its diagonal entries are equal. Example, let matrix, so 5, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 0, 5. This is called scalar matrix. Diagonal element are equal. Diagonal element are equal. Its diagonal elements are equal. This is 5, 5, 5. Or another example, you can write root 2, 0, 0, root 2. This is called, so this is matrix is scalar matrix because diagonal element are same, are equal. And the 6, identity matrix. If a square matrix in which m by m, n by n, entries in which diagonal are all 1, diagonal are all 1 and rest are all 0 is called identity matrix. Identity matrix, given matrix are condition square matrix and element in diagonal, all entries of diagonal are only 1 and rest of all entries become 0, will become 0. So this is called identity matrix. For example, a matrix 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Diagonal, this is the diagonal only 1 and another entry rest element are 0. This is called identity matrix. Scalar matrix, diagonal r element are same, but element identity matrix element are same, but only one you can entry become 1. So this is called identity matrix. Seventh, zero matrix. A matrix is said to be zero or null matrix if all its elements are zero. All entries are zero. So it is called zero matrix. It is denoted by 0 or O. So let A matrix element 0 0 0 0. This is called zero matrix or represented by O. And another matrix X is equal to 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. This is matrix. All entries are 0. This is zero matrix. It is denoted by O. Equality of matrix. This is very important. Equality of matrix, if given two matrix, let first matrix A is equal to element of matrix Aij. Ai means row, number of row, J means number of column. A entries, element of entries in matrix, and B entries element B and number of row I and number of column J. There are two matrix A and B are said to be equality if they have the same order. They have same order and each element of A is equal to each element of A is equal to corresponding element of B. This is called equality of matrix. Now let matrix A is equal to X, Y, Z, W, and another matrix B is equal to -3, 1, 2, 4. So there are two matrix A X, Y, Z, W, and B -3, 1, 2, 4. Order of matrix 2 by 2 and order of matrix 2 by 2. Order are same. First condition equality, for equality they have same order. A matrix A 2 by 2 and B matrix 2 by 2, they have same order. So there is matrix A is equal to B. So you can write matrix X, Y, Z, W and is equal to 3, 1, 2, 4. So corresponding elements are equal if equal matrix. So now find the value X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, W according to equality of matrix. So this is value of X is equal to X corresponding -3 and Y corresponding is equal to 1 and Z corresponding to element 2 and W corresponding element 4. So you can find all entries, unknown entries in given matrix according to equality of matrix. Operation on matrices. First, addition of matrix. If there are two matrices have the same order, then matrix will be added. If two matrices will be added if they have same order. If let A matrix element 1, 2, 3, 4 and another matrix B element have -2, 4, 3, 5. So same order 2 by 2 and 2 by 2. They have same order A and B. Then A plus B is equal to, so corresponding element should be added. So 1 plus -2 and 3 plus 3 and 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4 and 4 plus 5. So 4. This is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1 and 6 and 6 and 9. So order of this matrix is equal to 2 by 2 becomes. So if there are two matrices A and B have same order, so then matrix will be added. This is condition addition of matrix. And same way subtraction of matrix. So sign change will be A minus B. They have same order. Then A minus B become in this way. Multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Given let a matrix A element have 1, 2, 3, 4 and a scalar element A alpha scalar number B alpha. So then new matrix C is equal to alpha, then 1, 2, 3, 4 entry of element of matrix. So these scalar number multiply by these entries separated. So alpha into 1 and alpha into 2 and alpha into 3 and alpha into 4. So scalar number multiply by each entries of matrix. So this is alpha, 2 alpha, 3 alpha and 4 alpha. Scalar quantity multiply by each element of given matrix. Product of a matrices or multiplication of matrix. The product of two matrices, let A and B are two matrices, may be defined as if number of column of matrix A is equal to number of row A of a matrix B. If possible of product of matrix or multiplication of matrix if number of column of matrix A is equal to number of row of another matrix, then it will be possible of matrix. Now let a matrix A m by m by n and another matrix n by p. So if possible, so product of matrix gives new matrix A, C A B. So AB matrix, so this matrix A element Ij and m by n, and into another matrix B, B j k row and column, so n into p. According to situation or condition, number of column first matrix is equal to number of row in second matrix. These are equal number of column first matrix, so n, and number of row in second matrix n. These are equal, so these cancel out. So new matrix, so C is equal to m into p, m into p, row and column. So new matrix of the product m by p. That's all.